In this video, I'm going to be talking about how does the GitHub Copilot work. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. GitHub Copilot is an AI pair programmer that helps developers write code more quickly by suggesting lines of codes and entire functions in real time. So it is going to analyze the code that you have written and use a large language model, LLM, to predict and suggest what you might want to type next. So, GitHub Copilot is powered by the OpenAI Codex. This is a version of the GPT language model specifically trained on a massive database of public code from GitHub repositories, along with natural language text. This training allows it to understand not just the syntax of programming languages, but also the context and intent behind the code. When you are writing code, Copilot doesn't just look at the line that you are working on. It analyzes the entire file, the surrounding code, and the comments that you have written. This contextual awareness is the key to its effectiveness. And like I said before, it is going to deliver the suggestions based on input, context analysis, suggestive generation, real-time display, and iteration, because as you accept or reject suggestions and you continue writing, Copilot is going to update the analysis that it is doing and provide new suggestions based on the latest changes. This will create a fluid coding experience. It can autocomplete individual lines of code, so very basic stuff, but it can also create functions. So by writing a comment or a function signature, it can often generate the entire function body. It works with a wide range of programming languages, and it can even help you write documentation strings and unit tests for your code. You will be able to get started for free, available here, and then see the plans and pricing. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.